Welcome! This video shows how to draft and export a Power Patent application from prepared claims. After login, open Inventions from the left sidebar. On the Inventions page, choose Prepare Application to start a prepared drafting workflow. From the drafting options, select from Claims. Paste your desired claim text in, then click OK. We're gonna use the first 7 claims of embedded claim text from patent US 8 million BTWO as example. Next, add flowcharts from the claim tree and insert all claim-based diagrams. Preview the claim tree to confirm the prepared claims are parsed before drafting. After carefully reviewing the claim tree, click Draft Application to draft the invention. The drafting process may take a couple minutes to complete. It will automatically open in edit mode. You can grab a cup of coffee while waiting. When the drafted invention opens in edit mode, export the application as Word using the default options. The application export is complete. Thank you for watching this Power Patent drafting walkthrough.